Hi guys, welcome back again to my recipe channel. Thank you so much for the support so far, and today I'm back again with a very interesting video. Kindly watch till the end. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe as well. And so on today's video, I'm going to prepare a smoothie. I'm going to combine mango and avocado. So in short, I'm preparing mango and avocado smoothie. It's gonna be a thick one, a creamy one, and it's a rich drink. So for smoothies, it consumes a good amount of fiber, and of course blending fruits makes it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. And of course, without forgetting, you can always drink smoothies every day. That's why it's healthier. Remember, they are recommended since they are high in calories. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you're going to try this amazing recipe with those easy steps. Thank you so much, and let's meet on the next video.